good morning, and Saram to all my lovely students there. Students, let us start with this video. But in this video, we are not going to start anything new, but I am going to tell you about your internal assessment activity, which you have to do. So let us begin with that. The first activity which you have to perform is elocution, and I hope you all know about elocution. So, according to your class and section, I have divided topics. For class 7th A, I have given two topics. The first one is that all that glitter is not gold. And the second one is that Indian culture and tradition. And 7th A student have to choose one topic out of these two, and they have to prepare their elocution on that. Especially, on the other hand, for class 7th B, again I have given two topics. The topic are why to think positive and artificial intelligence. Now again, 7th B student has to choose one topic out of these, and they have to prepare their elocution on this. I hope you have understood that you have to choose your elocution topic according to your section. 7th A will choose from the given topic, that is all that glitter is not gold or Indian culture and tradition. And 7B will select from why to think positive or artificial intelligence. So the students of 7th A and B have to select their topic according to their section. Don't get confused. Just prepare one topic out of these two I have given for options. Now, the question comes how you have to submit this elocution. And what you have to do, the first thing is that you have to make video of 3 minutes in which you are going to give your elocution. The second thing is that the way you give your elocution in the school, the same way you have to do in that video also. That first you have to introduce yourself, and then you will begin with your topic. As I have told you that you have to choose one topic out of the given topic. And the last thing is very important, that you have to choose your topic according to your section. I am repeating again how you have to give your elocution. You have to make video that will be of 3 minutes, in which first you have to introduce yourself, and then you will begin with your topic. And the next very important thing, only one topic out of the given two topics. You have to choose only one topic. And the last thing is that choose according to your class and section. 7th A student will choose the topic from the given topics for 7th A only, and 7th B will only choose the topic for the section B only. Now, this is your first activity. Your second activity is that you have to write a story. Now student, the second activity is story writing activity. In the last video I have given to you, I have told you how to write a story, and now you have to perform an activity where you on your own have to write the stories based on the question. So for 7th A and for 7th B I have given different questions, and this time there is no choice in the story writing. So for 7th A, in the grammar book, page number 105, there is an exercise, that is exercise number 1. From that exercise number 1, you have to do part number 2, that is question number 1 part 2, and exercise 3 you have to do part 1. So for 7th A, grammar book page number 105, exercise 1 part 2, exercise 3 part 1. You have to do this. And for 7th B, again the page number is same, 105, grammar book page number 105, exercise 1 part 1. Exercise 2, oh sorry, this is exercise 3, not 2. So this is exercise 3 part 2. So remember, 7th B has to do grammar page number 105, exercise 1 part 1, exercise 3 part 2. Now there is no choice between the questions. You have to attempt both the parts. Now again the question arises, how will you do this? Now there are certain instructions for your story writing also. That the first thing is that choose the topic according to your section. Secondly, attempt both the question. Third, very important thing is that on how you have to submit your story writing and how will you do that. The answer is that you have to write the story either on file pages or on A4 size paper. And the last thing is that how will you submit. First, write the story, both the stories on different pages. One story should be of one page, at least of one page. Write both the stories, staple that, write your name, your class, your section, your roll number on the top of the paper in one corner properly so that it could be seen easily. Now after doing that, you have to click the photos of both the paper together, both the papers, and you have to convert that photo into a PDF form. I hope you have understood that. First, write your story on the A4 size paper or on file pages. Then after writing both the stories on different papers, staple that properly. After doing so, on the first page in a corner, write on the top in a corner, write your name, your class, your section, your roll number. And after doing so, click the photos of that file pages and convert that. After clicking the photo, convert that into PDF form. And how you have to send, when you have to send, that will be informed in your group. Now at last there are certain journal instruction for everyone, that this assignment is a part of your internal assessment. Second thing, it carries 10 marks, 5 for your elocution and 5 for your story writing. It is compulsory for each and every student to submit the assignment on time. For each section, there are 2 topics in choice for elocution, and you need to choose the topic according to your section. And in the story writing, there is no choice, you have to attempt both the questions. I hope you have understood that how you have to do your activities and how you have to submit that. The date of submission and how to submit will be told to you in your WhatsApp group. And I wish that you will do it very good and write the story the way I have told you in the video. Please watch the video and try to write the story on your own. For elocution, try to understand the main meaning of the topic and first give introduction of yourself and then speak on the topic given to you. I hope you all understood what to do and you will do it very well. Thank you, students.